want to show you guys a tip using OLAPLEX No.2 during your on the scalp lightening services. Now, the most damage occurs during this service because you've got your previously lightened hair and then you have your new growth. That line of demarcation is where typically the lightener will overlap and create damage where that previously lightened hair exists. So what I recommend is taking OLAPLEX No.2, adding that to that line of demarcation. So then when your lightener overlaps your previously lightened section, you get the bond protection that you're looking for. So put OLAPLEX No.1 in your lightener, but then use OLAPLEX No.2 like I did here with my model Crystal, apply it to that new growth, and then you will get the protection that you need and the beautiful hair that you're looking for. So next time you're in the salon and you're doing an on the scalp lightening service, make sure that you add OLAPLEX No.2 to that line of demarcation, and you're gonna see much better results and much healthier hair in the end. For more tips, go to olaplex.com or go to the App Store and download the OLAPLEX app on your mobile device. Thank you guys so much for watching.